In this video, I'm going to explain one of the most important differences in the switch we are experiencing today. And this is people. We have two kinds of people. One kind of people I call the 2D smarts. And 2D smarts are people of my age. They were raised in a period of information shortage and they went to school to learn. So these people learned at school because they couldn't learn at home. They got degrees, they went to work, they went to a function description, and they went on a pension. That are the 2D smarts. The 3D smarts are other people. And it's not age related. The 3D smarts are people who learn and work based on their passion for their talents. So, and in this information luxury, they learn very easy. If I have a question, I look it up, I network, I'm in communities, I'm in social media. So what we see is, within this world of information luxury, we see two kinds of people. The 2D smarts, who learn from discipline and intelligence in the old age. The 3D smarts, who are learning every day, who get experience every day. They jump into the internet, they become smarter. And what is happening now? It's a battle. It's a battle of the smarts. We have two kinds of people who are struggling for power. And today, most of the power is still with the 2D smarts. They made promotion, have higher salaries. Most of the power today is not in hands of the 3D smarts. So what we are facing today is a power struggle. And what will happen, I will explain in other videos, but we have to face the battle of the smarts. And we have to face another thing, and that's the legacy. Because 2D smarts, within this time frame of information shortage, they build a lot of systems and processes, and they are still operational today. And that's the legacy. Some of the legacy is good, but some of the legacy is very bad. We have to destroy a lot of stuff that is born in the 2D age. But that, the next videos.